This compact powerhouse could be just what you need in a busy household. The 0.7 cubic feet COMFEE countertop microwave oven fits perfectly on any counter, offering power and versatility without taking up too much space. Whether your kitchen is small or spacious, this microwave can find its place easily. Safety first, especially with young children around. This microwave includes the two-step child lock feature to prevent accidental activation by curious little hands while you're cooking or busy elsewhere in your home kitchen. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that kids stay safe and meals get cooked without interruptions from playful fingers trying out buttons. Quiet operation is key for those times when noise needs to be kept low but efficiency isn't compromised. The mute function allows silent use during meal prep without disturbing others nearby, making it ideal even on early mornings or late nights. Whether you're preparing breakfast before everyone wakes up or having a quiet dinner after work, this feature ensures peace and comfort. Busy days call for quick solutions. Express modes offer 1-minute increments up to 6 minutes for reheating meals, effortlessly perfect for hungry family members or rushing through lunch breaks due to tight schedules. No more waiting around, just set the time you need and let it do its job quickly, saving both your energy and valuable moments. Defrost settings by weight or time ensure precise thawing of frozen foods, eliminating guesswork during meal prep and reducing stress on busy days when everyone's schedule seems hectic. Whether defrosting a chicken for dinner tonight or preparing vegetables ahead of time, this feature helps streamline the process with accuracy, ensuring meals are ready at just the right moment. Eco mode cuts standby power consumption in half compared to conventional models, making this microwave not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. It's perfect if you value sustainability and want an appliance that doesn't compromise on modern technology benefits while still being kinder to your wallet over time. Before buying, check current pricing online platforms like Amazon and read recent reviews from other users. This ensures you get what others have experienced based on product specs. Convenience, ease of use, eco-friendliness, and peace of mind are all key features worth considering for daily kitchen needs today. Pay attention to how it fits into your real-life routine after using it. See if the benefits match up with expectations. The COMFEE countertop microwave oven is designed not just as an appliance but a solution tailored specifically for busy households, making meal preparation and family life smoother every day.